say you love me?
Of course I love you. It's all so uncertain. God, I love you. I'll never want to come that close to losing you again. I need you to be safe.
I love you more than I should. So much more than is good for me. More than is good. Oh, the timing is cruel. Oh, I need and don't want to need.
Stop pointing the gun at her, alright?
This is my phone, okay?
God, tell me, bro, you.
I will always be there for you. I will always protect you. I will always protect you. Always.
Say my name and the sound.
Sorry, pretty immature.
So I say I can't sleep because
Oh, Lord help me if that's true.
it's so very cold.
If only it were raining.
Take care of that.
But I know what I need. And if you were just near to me, would you go?
So good to me.
I am falling. Say my name and
It's not that, I was just remembering.
Remembering what?
Your hair. You wore it that way the first day you tutored me.
You remember how I wore my hair the first day I tutored you?
For me?
I thought you'd never ask.
You think? I wasn't proud of you.